Yeah, I just want to say good evening, everybody. This is James again. Um, anyway, we all have gifts, we all have a calling, and I pray that we all find our calling, our gifts, use those gifts for God's purpose, for His glory, to minister to others, because it's not for us to keep. He gives us something, we give it away. It's supposed to help someone else, someone where we used to be. I just wanted to share another piece of music with you. I hope you guys have a blessed evening and an even more blessed weekend. And I hope you'll make it to church Sunday to get your praise on and just start worshiping God. Start worshiping right where you're at in the midst of your circumstances. And just give Him all the glory because, it's like a storm. It'll blow in, it'll blow up, and it'll blow out. And at the end of that storm, the sun is shining and there's a rainbow. And I just thank God for another day. I thank Him for using me for His purpose, for ministry. And anyway, I want to share this with you, and I hope you're blessed.